First, naglagay ako ng primer from Maybelline BB Skin sa aking mukha para yung foundation hindi matanggal agad at hindi magbakbak. Tapos, ang aking foundation ay from Makeup Nude Color. And then my concealer is from Revolution. Next is translucent. And for my eyebrows, color brown from Profusion. And then next, I clean my eyebrows for concealer. Then for my eyeshadow is color orange, light orange from Morphe. And then next is a little bit orangey color. And for my shimmering eyeshadow, glitter is from Primark, the orange one. And then I put on my eyelid. Then I curl my eyelashes. And for my mascara is from Makeup, also color block. And then for my blush on, little bit orange from Revolution. And then I put the highlight, orange shade, top of my blush. then for my lipstick is from NYX color orange for my orange peachy looks. And this is it. This is my simple peachy orange look makeup. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.